Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to import Excel into Notion. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is open up Notion and then open up the workspace where you want to import the spreadsheet to. Then from here, come up to the top left hand corner of the page, and then we want to go in and click into settings. From here, we want to click onto where it says workspace, click on the import button, and then we can import your content to Notion, or we can import the CSV. So import structured data from spreadsheets like HTML. So we can click onto that, and then we can choose file if you already got your file downloaded from Excel. So if you haven't done that, you can convert Excel to a CSV. So basically open up your spreadsheet in Excel, click file, save as, and then choose CSVUTF8. So this is comma delimited.csv. Click save. And then from here, go ahead and choose that file. If you saved it in your downloads, it's going to be here. Go ahead and open it up. Then when you come back here, you're going to see it inside of here, and then basically it's going to import for you. So yeah, Notion will create a database using the spreadsheets columns and all that stuff. And then once you've done that, just check your database. Once imported, check that the column names are correct, your text fields imported correctly, your dates, numbers are all recognized as numbers, etc.